Thanos. You could destroy life on Earth.
We're gonna need some help.
On April 27th.
Together is our only hope.
Avengers.
Join us.
Once and for all.
Join Earth's mightiest heroes.
Not today, sir.
Are you making your voice deeper?
No.
You just did it again.
You're imitating the god.
This is my voice. So cool.
Avengers Infinity War. Rated PG-13.
In time, you will know what it's like to lose. Dread it, run from it. The end is near.
We got one advantage. We have what Thanos wants. So that's what we use.
I think it's good, except it sucks. So let me do the plan, and that way it might be really good. Wow.
Today we don't fight for one life. We fight for all of them.
Groot, put that thing away. Now, I don't want to tell you again. Groot.
Hey, Groot.
Whoa, language!
So this is it. It's all been leading to this.
Ready?
Let's go.